How to import or export contacts on Galaxy S24, handling .vcf files or other contact list formats. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And on the app screen, tap on Contacts. Now tap on the menu on the left hand side. Next, tap on Manage Contacts. If you want to export contacts, then tap on Export Contacts. In here we have 29 contacts in our Contacts app. So select where you want to export it to. You can export it to the internal storage, or you can export it to the SIM card. So here, if we select internal storage, then tap on Export, it will be exported as contacts_003.vcf file. And then tap on OK. Now if you tap on the home button to go back to your home screen, then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up My Files. In My Files, it shows the file that has just been created. So you can see here it shows contacts_003 right there. So that is the file. If I touch and hold to that file, I can tap on the More button at the bottom. So tap on the More button, then tap on Details, and I can find the location of the file. So it is in internal storage, download. And so if I go to download, internal storage, then download. So by default, it is saved to the download folder. And here it is, contacts_003. If I tap on it, that will open up import contact screen. And from here, I can simply just tap on import. Otherwise, you can open up contacts. So in the contacts app, we can go back into here and then tap on the New button and then tap on Manage Contacts. Then tap on Import Contacts. And then select where your source, so it can be from a SIM card or from the phone or cloud storage. And here in my download folder, it finds that I have 3 different contacts files. So I can select a file, then tap on Done, and then now choose where to import it to. I can import it to my Samsung account, to my local phone storage, or to my Google account. And then tap on the Import button. And that's it. When it has finished, tap on the OK button. So that is how you can import or export contacts on Galaxy S24 by handling the .vcf files and other file formats. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.